Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Tech and Web.
Product links in our description below.
In this video, we explore the 5 best dishwashers in 2025, highlighting top models that combine advanced technology, energy efficiency, and superior cleaning performance to meet diverse household needs. These dishwashers offer smart features, quiet operation, and enhanced drying capabilities for a hassle-free kitchen experience. Whether you're looking for a budget-friendly option or a high-end model, this list has something for everyone. Number 5. Kenmore 24. The Kenmore 24-inch built-in stainless steel tub dishwasher is a perfect addition to any modern kitchen, offering a sleek design, powerful cleaning performance, and an adjustable rack system to accommodate all your dishwashing needs. With its stainless steel tub for durability and efficient drying, quiet operation, and leakage protection, this dishwasher ensures a hassle-free and reliable experience. Looking for a dishwasher that combines style, efficiency, and convenience? This might be the perfect choice for your home. Check it out now and upgrade your kitchen effortlessly. Number 4. BLACK+DECKER 24. The BLACK+DECKER 24-inch built-in dishwasher offers a 12-place setting capacity, making it ideal for families and those who love to entertain. With 5 wash programs, including a smart wash cycle, it ensures efficient and tailored cleaning for all your dishware. The stainless steel tub not only adds durability but also enhances drying performance. Designed for low-noise operation, this dishwasher ensures a quiet kitchen environment. Upgrade your kitchen with this reliable and efficient appliance. Number 3. COMFEE Portable Mini Dishwasher. The COMFEE Portable Mini Dishwasher Countertop is a compact and efficient solution for small kitchens, apartments, RVs, and other tight spaces. With a 5-liter built-in water tank, it operates without the need for direct plumbing, making it incredibly convenient. It features 6 wash programs, including a high-temperature hygiene cycle that reaches 162 degrees Fahrenheit for thorough cleaning and sanitization. Designed to fit dishes up to 10.5 inches, it ensures powerful performance while maintaining a small footprint. The intuitive control panel and automatic air dry function add to its ease of use, making dishwashing effortless. If you're looking for a space-saving, reliable, and user-friendly dishwasher, this is a fantastic choice. Number 2. Midea MDF18A1AST Built-in Dishwasher. The Midea MDF18A1AST Built-in Dishwasher is a compact and efficient appliance designed to fit seamlessly under your kitchen counter. With a capacity of 8 place settings, it's ideal for smaller households or kitchens with limited space. The dishwasher features a digital display and push-button controls, allowing for easy operation and selection of cleaning cycles. Its sleek stainless steel design adds a modern touch to any kitchen decor. As of today, it's available on Amazon. Number 1. COMFEE Countertop Dishwasher. The COMFEE Countertop Dishwasher is a compact and efficient solution for small kitchens, dorms, RVs, or apartments. With a capacity of 6 place settings, it offers 8 washing programs, including options like Rapid, Baby Care, Eco, and Glass, catering to various dishwashing needs. Users have praised its performance, with one reviewer noting, "I really like this countertop dishwasher. It's a great size to get a nice sized load of dishes washed." Its Energy Star certification ensures energy efficiency, making it an eco-friendly choice. The sleek design and user-friendly interface make it a convenient addition to any household.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more.